Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your Axis Bank debit card. To activate your Axis Bank debit card, you have a few options. You can activate your debit card through ATMs. You can visit any Axis Bank ATMs, insert your debit card and follow the instructions on the screen. Or you can also get through and activate your debit card through internet banking or through your mobile banking. In today's video, I'm going to show it to you through internet banking. So first of all, go ahead and open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in axisbank.com and search. Once you get to the home page of Axis Bank, go ahead and log into your internet banking account by going to this login option at the top right and select one of the login methods under internet banking. You can select any one of your account's type displayed on the screen and click login. Once you click on the login button, you will then need to enter your credentials in the correct text boxes. Go ahead and enter your login ID or your customer ID in the first text box along with your password. Enter the CAPTCHA shown and then click on the login button at the bottom of the screen. You can also select one of these options at the bottom to end up directly to the selected area for your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will need to enter your debit card details and other personal information for verifications. Once you follow through the prompts till the end, you will then be able to activate your debit card through internet banking for Axis Bank. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.